such a windy day out. Baba, switch off the light.
Now?
No, they didn't work. They're still buzzing, guys. Wait, no. Or I should say, they're still lighting up, guys. But, guys, look. Do you like those trees? I love it too. Okay, guys, let's start. Dad, it still didn't work down there.
Now?
No. George.
Now? Yay, that worked. I think I know which one, Mega. I think it was the GFI garage. Can you confirm? Can you, when I turn on the switch, can you confirm if the light goes on? Okay.
Hush.
Ready and switch. Did it work? Did the light go on?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Okay. I know what's happening then.
Giddy up, horsey.
Giddy up, giddy up. Giddy up, giddy up.
Horsey. Giddy up.
Careful. Are you sure?
But first I need to do all of this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be right back.
Are you sure you can help, Daddy?
Papa,
Yes.
where is the little green pouring thing? The
Which-
little green pouring thing? Like, where is the little green pouring thing?
Oh, it's somewhere in here. You wanna go find it? It's inside inside that room, small room right there. Yeah.
You mean over there?
Mm-hmm. You did not? Oh my.
I already did.
Kina to nasudebu no?
I already did.
Okay. What did she say?
She didn't say anything.
Hmm? She did not say anything? How come? I did say not say anything. She's busy. All white with white, red and black, and then the ground. What you doing? Oh, that's a nice little fountain. Is it spring yet?
No.
Oh. You think the birds are gonna come and drink some water?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I heard somebody say hi. Oh, there's someone back there. Careful.
I dropped some of the water. Oh, hi guys. Look what we found. Da 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 da.
Yeah. Brand new, right, Megan? This is brand new. Woohoo! Nice and
yeah.
shiny. Nice and shiny. So steady, please. If you're gonna be handling the camera, you have to be really steady. See, this is nice and clear. The older one was really brownish over here. That's why it was not sensing whether it was daylight or nighttime. Now this is gonna work great. Awesome, groovy, right?
Proven. We're proven.
Yeah.
We're
All right, stop
stopping.
recording video, please. And can you say hi? You're my camera girl, not a cameraman. You're my camera girl today, right? Right? Careful. Why are you running like?
Baba,
Yes.
Baba, what if my friend is already gone? I didn't get to say hi this
Oh,
morning.
really?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's not good then, Mega.
What?
I was hoping you would get to say hi.
What?
No moving, please. Can you see if the video is showing what I'm recording over here? Yep. Yes, it is, right?
Garden magic. Filled with a breeze. Garden magic where garden magic comes so how.
Hey, how are you? It's been a while, right? Mega forgot names. Hey, how are you? Yeah, this one's been just keeps on lighting the neighborhood for at least 6-7 months now.
Yeah.
It's never gonna warm enough for me to come out and do this. So I figured today would be the day.
Yeah, I did the same thing. I wasn't working either.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Yeah. Come on, turn off.